All right, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever the case may be for you. I hope you're doing well. This is Gerard at Rush Truck Center's Indianapolis, Indiana location. And I'm doing a quick little walk around vehicle. I haven't posted a video in a couple of weeks now. Just been really busy, but I thought I'd step outside to do just a quick little rundown of this 2000 Freightliner FLD day cab. With a wet kit on it. This is a true pre-emission truck, no emissions equipment on this unit whatsoever, and really low price. So if you or somebody you know is looking for an under $10,000 day cab, maybe to run around the farm, haul some grain, something like that, this is your truck. It's got a Detroit engine with just over 800,000 miles on it. Lots of life left in it though for the price. Again, this is a 2000 Freightliner FLD day cab. 10-speed Eaton Fuller manual shift transmission. It's been cleaned up and detailed, but this is a sort of a price point truck, right? This the kind of buyer who wants to buy this is just looking for something cheap. Still, you know, it's actually a decent looking truck. We haven't put a whole lot of work into it. We're selling it as is. It's in decent condition. We took it in on a trade from a customer we've done business with in the past, and it's a great opportunity. So if you're looking for a cheap day cab, give me a call. My office number is still the same. It's 317-677-9234. Again, this is Gerard at Rush Truck Center's Indianapolis, Indiana location. Give me a call, 317-677-9234, about this 2000 Freightliner FLD tandem axle day cab. I'll give you all the information you want. Give me a shout. Thanks for watching.